Evergreen. Candid Perfect Maths, Book 4.
Hey, welcome to the chapter 4. You know about the addition and the subtraction. Module 1. In this module, you will learn about multiplication of numbers and properties of multiplication.
Multiplication is the short method of adding same addends. For example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 15. Here 3 is added 5 times. Its sum is 15. So, instead of writing it 5 times, we can write it in the short form, that is 5 into 3. Lab activity. Activity: checking addition sums using digital root method. Objective: to understand digital root or digital sum of a number and finally of addition sums. Material required: white sheet of paper, sketch pens, geometry box. Preparation, presentation. Teacher will demonstrate digital sum as the word digit means the single figure number. The digital root is an obscure mathematical operation in which a user recursively adds together all the digits of a number until only a single digit remains. This remaining number is known as the digital root or digital sum. A shortcut to find